guys, it's episode 2 now. Welcome to episode 2.
You remember Lydia Corkins against the legend?
Lydia.
Bakit?
Kaya mo si
We're
Lydia.
actually going back to
Okay rin. Yung first follower na makukuha mo.
What do you mean gone? They're really hard. Guys, watch this.
Bago mo. Sa kwarto ko.
What made a deal with him?
Whatever
Yung light blue iyo Akin yung dark blue.
Pwede mo
Right now.
Yeah, they find us for that.
Kasi tuturuan ko kuya kung paano
As far as
gumawa.
I know, it's trying to see what's possible. Yeah.
Lagi mo daliri mo dito.
It was the worst day of my life. My trusted colleague, General Michael Russo, he took me into the morgue where Sebastian was.
Bumot na tao. Hindi ba?
Was the reckless look.
Hindi nabunot yun.
He was gone.
Bumot na
And there was nothing I could do.
Bukay nga eh. Bakit?
Tapos,
Yeah, itong.
Killed my
Ano
boy.
binili?
His murderer needs to pay.
Hindi ka layon.
My son's life cannot be in vain.
Kumakain ka ba ng layon?
Ano ba yun?
Chichiria.
ay nakakain din ako nun.
No, you're not.
Your turn, counselor.
Chichiria.
She's
Chief na siya, parang siya, ano, chief
Tapos,
club.
kuha kayo ng gunting. Okay, kasundayin mo siya.
Una, ayaw nila kay ano.
Ko to.
Tell me about
Kay
the monster.
Sebastian, ba't nila
Okay,
pinaprotektahan?
guys.
What does it mean to you?
Ha?
Tapos,
Hindi nila pinaprotektahan si Sebastian. Mga
The
tao.
mother is about opportunity. And hope for a better future. Or is it a lie?
okay na. Tapos, kailangan pa anuhin na.
Sustained. Simple yes or no question, Governor.
Pero iba gagawin natin.
Counselor, that's no. There is a
Kahit
recording,
ano.
Your Honor. We all heard it that day.
Pwede.
Answer the question, Governor. That wasn't my son. Excuse me?
Water!
I know my son's voice, and that wasn't him. The tape was altered. You actually expect us to believe that someone altered your
Pero
son's
kahit
voice,
anong
not
gawin mo,
someone,
ha?
Counselor, your client. This enemy of the state. He admitted
Akong
complicity. He
gagawin
admitted
ko
he caused chaos that day.
na
That was not my son.
ganito. Tapos, kailangan niyo pong pakita ito. Hindi ba?
Nangyari siya na isa.
Ganda. Kaya
Maginawa
sa
ko dito.
ko siya i-design o kaya idikit sa
I'll overshape the bits,
pwede siya
but they have to,
may ano yun.
right? Okay, we need to go now.
Again? It's too many bars. We're not making it. So she turned our home into a prison. After promising to get back.
She had a plan to get back.
Wait. You know the
Ilaw,
story.
ilaw.
Ano ba?
Oh, wait.
Ano ba eh?
Back up just in case the bars.
Napatay mo ba yung ilaw eh?
Wait, we're gonna win now. Just celebrate that.
Maker ka din.
Wait, I'm going to this.
Yan,
Uy.
yan natuto sa'yo ha. Sa'yo ha, sa'yo yung natuto ha. Marami kayong distigo.
Okay. Kaya I show speed siya. Ano na I show speed eh.
Ikaw yun, ikaw na una.
Hang on. Be safe.
Ano mo? Sabi.
Ngayon yung plato. Buwa ka na. Buwa na.
Mga boy. Plato, parang ano yan. Go na boy, nanonood ako.
Go na boy.
Go na naman.
Alin ba?
Plato.
Kamad ko naman.
So yung may kailangan eh.
Oo nga. Binibiro ka lang.
You want out of here as much as I want to. So you live, man. This is barely surviving. You can take the guards, throw people in hours. You can take control like we haven't tried that before. The same thing always happens. You shouldn't die in it.
Sinabi mo kanina, inom, nakuha ko ng sarili kong tubig.
Choice is your survival.
Hindi ko lang inom ng inom yan eh. Ha? Oo na!
Try this. Well done. Or we try this.
Iiyak na eh.
We got
Ano
it
yung iya?
someday.
Iyak lang.
We don't speak
Ma!
that.
Ma!
We can change
Ano
this.
yung iya?
Ma! Ano to?
We're as good as dead.
Pakin mo, pakin mo, pakin mo.
Get up.
Ang init gago. Naalala ko yung ginanon akong sir gago, ang init.
Not until you tell me where my wife
Ginanon
is.
no? Utang ka lang lang.
If we don't speak to them, the idea that we can change this.
Taray ko.
We're as good as dead. Get up.
Yaan yan, guys. Kuya ko yan. Mga suplado yan
Not
eh.
until you tell me where my wife is.
Mga suplado yung mga kuya ko eh. Kuya, pansinin guys. Ito talaga.
You're on your own.
Walang mapatalaga na
Sit, prisoner. All right. 197.
Okay.
Transfer's been denied. Sir, my brother's been very sick. I don't know how long he is. Then you should have told me directly instead of going around me to ask for a transfer. Your duty here has been extended 6 months. Dismissed.
Alam ko na gagawin ni Negan.
I was found a few hours after you tussled with my guards. How could I? Go. What is it? I don't know. Poor man's tic-tac-toe. I don't know what it is. Someone is keeping track of my guards. When they come and go. How many are on shift at any time.
Okay, diba?
What's that got to do with me?
Oh, meron pa pala.
When you first came here, I thought you were a leader. Now I see that you have other priorities. Real leaders separate, clean themselves off from the boards. Because the things that real leaders do, most people just don't have the stomach for it.
Ang ganda na
But the ones that do, they're the real threats. There's a threat in my midst. And I believe it's one of your people. My people. But other than my wife, all those people, they hate my guts. So I don't know anything. But I bet you keep my
Pangit yan.
Yung pangit.
Pangit. Oh. Ang pangit yan.
Yung pangit.
Unless you'd rather not see
Ikaw
that
yung pangit,
criminal.
pangit yan.
Uwi na ako bukas.
Ikaw ba si Jun? Ang sabi ko kasi, ito yung pangit.
Sabay ganyan ah.
Ay, aba, aba, aba. Hindi mo abot, hindi mo abot. Aba, 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 aba. Dalawa. Hindi. Dala ko ano. Di mo na ako abot. Ano, abot mo na ako? Ano, abot mo na ako?
Just our mama.
Abot mo niya ako, ha? Abot mo na ako?
Akin to, hindi yung buntis eh, no? Nasira
Kaya
yung
mo?
sinapak na yun eh.
I would never
Okay, pag nag-comment na kayo dyan, bibigyan ko na kayo. Okay. Malo. Wait. Oh my God, guys. May ididikit lang ako sticker. Ito ang
Hindi pa rin yung ngipin nila eh.
gusto ko kaya ito ididikit.
Kasi negal, maputi yung ngipin. Pag negal.
Yeah. Good job.
Baho na.
Kaya ito na pure.
Hindi, wala nang nagamit yan.
Tapos, ito ang ano ko.
Ano ba yan? Sewer.
Ito ko siya ididikit kasi para maganda siya. Ito na ko. Okay, bye-bye.